Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which three components are required to deploy a stretched cluster in a VMware Cloud Foundation environment? Choose 3. Option A. DHCP on the NSX Edge Overlay Network. Option B. VSAN. Host overlay and vMotion network stretched across both sites. Option C. One witness host per site. Option D. One witness host per VSAN stretched cluster. Option E. VSAN. Host overlay and vMotion network per data site. Option F. DHCP on the host overlay network. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. One witness host per VSAN stretched cluster. Option E. VSAN. Host overlay and vMotion network per data site. Option F. DHCP on the host overlay network. Question 2. Which two options can be used to create a new VMware Cloud Foundation vWorkload domain? Choose 2. Option A. REST API. Option B. SDDC Manager GUI. Option C. Cloud Builder GUI. Option D. Power CLI. Option E. vCenter UI. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A REST API, Option B SDDC Manager GUI. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.